Jay, there's the ball. Man, nice hit.
How many hours was that?
I don't know. Daddy, what do you think? How many miles per hour was that? Like I can seem to hit the fastballs even better than the slow balls. Good job, kid. We got a ringer.
I'm on fire.
Yeah, you are. You're a flammable gas. Girl. Oh, miss.
I'm throwing a little bit faster. I'm trying to see
Oh, that was nothing. It's good hot on the throwing there, but that's cool.
Ready?
Yeah. Oh, stop that. I was on fire at first.
Okay. I'll slow down a little bit. Ready?
Okay. Oh,
That was too high, Daddy.
too high. Light monster.
He was over here by the time the ball got to her.
Oh, they didn't get a 7-degree hit.
What is the 7-degree hit? Oh, maybe I jinxed you with the camera.
Push ball.
Oh, skeeters are out tonight, man.
Make sure it doesn't eat your phone.
I'm not worried about the phone. I'm worried about eating me. Yeah, nice hit. Out to left field.
It's in the fail zone. And it's really good zone.
Oh, dang, those skeeters are coming out. We're going to have to go in soon or put something on because they are eating us up. Daddy's in the dark corners of the yard.
Get away from skeeters. Well, everywhere.
Just don't hit the cat. Focus. Oh, you got it. It's just didn't hit.
That's it.
Yeah. Oh, oh. One more hit and then I'm going to turn the video off. You got to hit it really well, okay?
Okay. Wait.
Is the cat climbing that little piddly tree? No. Yeah, there she goes.
Samurai hit over her head.